The network security key, or Wi-Fi password, is essential for connecting your devices to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. There are several ways to find it. First, check the router itself. Look for a sticker on the bottom or side of your Spectrum router. It usually lists the SSID, network name, and the Wi-Fi password, labeled as Wi-Fi password or network key. It's typically a 10 to 12 character alphanumeric string. Alternatively, use the Spectrum app or website, spectrum.net, after logging into your account to view your network details, including the Wi-Fi password. A final method is accessing your router's admin panel at 192.168.1.1 in a web browser. Log in with the default credentials, usually username admin and password, but change these immediately for security. Navigate to the wireless security settings to view or reset the Wi-Fi password. Once you've found your default Wi-Fi password, it's crucial to change it immediately. Default passwords are a major security risk. Use a strong, unique passphrase to protect your network. A good password should be at least 15 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable WPA3 encryption in your router settings if available. It provides better security than WPA2. The Spectrum app offers convenient password management, making it easy to update and manage your Wi-Fi credentials. Be aware of phishing attempts. Always access your router settings or Spectrum account through official channels, not through suspicious links. Consider using password managers to generate and securely store complex passwords. Stay updated on Spectrum's security recommendations and router firmware updates to protect against emerging threats.